guys, I'm Gina and I'm one of the moms here at Not Your Pinterest Moms. And today we're going to go over my February budget closeout. So last month in January, I did the closeout worksheets using the Budget Mom Budget by Paycheck workbook. And I'll be honest, I didn't like it. And I didn't like it because I felt like it was a little disingenuous. I understand what she was trying to do was saying, okay, this is how much money we started with. This is how much money I made. This is how much money went through my account. And these are the percentages. I don't feel like it gave me a really clear picture of my I guess my spending or what. I don't know. I just don't like it. And then plus I'm lazy and I don't want to sit there and calculate that stuff. So YNAB does it for me. So I don't have to, it won't tell me the percentages, but I mean, I can see, that it was oh no, it does tell me the percentages. Look at that. We learned something together. So it tells me, YNAB tells me all of those things. So let's break it down. So you can see over here are my categories. I need to organize these better, and I'll probably do that at some point this month. But my sinking funds, so this is where I do a lot of my saving, like pretty much majority of my savings. I saved over $2,000, and basically if we're rounding up, almost 28% of our income this month through that. 24% went to bills and ish, which I mean, that happens. Necessities, this is obviously necessities, and then it gives me my breakdown. So this is things like groceries and gas, that sort of thing. Debt payments, 14% went to debt. I paid over $1,000. $500 of that is my car payment, and that's just my minimum payment. So, and then I've been snowballing my credit card. I recently opened a 0% interest card to start actually knocking it down and quit fighting interest. So that, and I did the balance transfer. So that's great. Envelopes, this is another, so this is some more savings, but we do end up spending out of it pretty regularly. So 8%, not bad. And then a little more savings here. This is things like emergency fund, my Roth IRA, Jake's 529, that sort of thing. So pretty awesome, pretty good numbers. I'm really happy to see that this is starting to become almost half my little pie graph here, as opposed to this was majority of it. And really the one that I'm the most interested in, so we're going to select none, that I really want to see is food. We had a little eating out problem due to laziness and lack of planning, so let's just see. So, I think that's groceries. Yeah. So, okay. So we did a lot better on eating out. Not so good in the groceries department. I'm going to have to keep working on that. I thought we were doing better than that. Well, we'll keep working on it. So, now I want to come over here to my income versus expenses. And this is where I can see month over month how I'm doing. So this is how much money we made last month versus how much money we made this month. So this month, my husband got his end of the year bonus. So that's why this number is so high. And then I got a bonus check in just January. Yeah, something like that. So anyway, this is more indicative of how much we make per month, not this. This is bonuses and whatnot, and when commission checks come through. So March also will be higher in the income category because my husband's first commission check of the year will come through, and then also our tax refund will come through. So now, let's see. We spent less on gas this month, so cool. Mortgage, this is about to go down. We're getting ready to close on a refi, so I'm really excited there. this is Netflix and Disney Plus. I just moved it, but we're not doing live TV anymore. The power bill is going down, which is great. That's not going to change. This went up because we switched carriers. We went from Cricket to Verizon prepaid, which I'm really excited about. This is actually going to go back to 80 after auto pay savings, and then this will actually go down. Eventually, it will be down by the end of the year. My bill, because of their loyalty program, will be in the neighborhood of $60. So this will actually continue to go down. Water will go down. Sewer went down. Subscriptions, not so much, but that's okay. Groceries, aha. So yeah, we spent $50-ish more on groceries this month than we did last month. Fuel went down. I don't know why. I'm driving the same. Whatever. Jake, this is just me saving for certain things for him, his birthday, that sort of stuff. So I finished saving for his birthday party in February. So this will go down. Savings, woohoo. Up is good. Up is good. This went down. Good. This went up. Our power went out for a little while, and we ended up eating out a little bit more, so that's okay. This remained about the same. Not as much towards debt, but that's okay. We just keep working on it. That's the point. And then all the money that I saved up is good. So we were actually in the green for the first time in a very long time after February. So this is pretty awesome stuff. This makes me really happy. Any forward progress, even if it's small, is forward progress. You know, my husband and I, you can see we don't make a lot of money. That is our combined income. We don't make a lot, but we're very intentional with our money, and we are frugal, and we try and buy secondhand where we can, and because we're starting to prioritize our debt snowball. So I was prioritizing saving over debt payments. So this will actually start to go down some, and this will go up because I'm ready. I am so sick of talking about this debt. You have absolutely no idea. I'm actually, after I finish filming this video, I'm actually going to tell my debt-free journey story. So I'll get more into that later. But ultimately, even a tiny bit of progress, even if it's one small baby step forward, is better than no progress at all. For any forward is good. So even if you are only able to put an extra $5 towards your debt, that's still an extra $5 more. So just remember, progress is progress. I am thinking that we're going to only spend $400 a month in groceries I've been sitting on a throne of lies and telling myself a lot of lies. So it's good to know that really it's more like 600, which I guess isn't terrible for a family. Well, I guess it is kind of terrible. Well, my husband smokes a lot. We smoke a lot of meat and stuff. I mean, we're eating, we're not, okay, I'm digressing. Anyway, this is great. These are great numbers. I'm really happy about this. This is just the fact that we're in the green, even though it doesn't seem like it's that much, is a huge relief to me. We have money set aside for things that we need. So we can start prioritizing paying off debt. We aren't living an extravagant life, but we aren't struggling like we have been in the not so recent past. So anyways, you guys, if you found some inspiration here, if you found this helpful, whatever, you just enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the description below. Let me know how your debt closeout, or not your debt closeout, oh my lord, your February went. And I will see you guys in the next one. Just remember that oh my God, I'm so awkward. Any engagement is great for us. Like, comment, subscribe, because it makes the YouTube algorithm like us. And if we make the YouTube algorithm like us, then the YouTube algorithm will push us out to more people. And we can help more people. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.